Hi guys, I'm going to insert this footage with another Hobby Lobby haul. I was hoping that my store marked down the planner stuff, but they haven't. I did go back and look at the stamps. I think I went right when they marked a lot of things down. And I think the scrapbooking paper and the planner stuff, they haven't. The stuff that I was looking at is gone. It's still a lot of stamps, but I didn't want to get a lot of stamps. But after watching Kendra's haul, I was like, you know, some of those stamps are worth or at least looking at. But I wish I looked at them when they had all of them, because it was like loaded, like max. They had a lot of stamps marked down. They still do, but I just picked up my favorite ones and the cheapest ones. Y'all see Josiah? He gotta come up here when anytime I'm filming, he wanna come around. Say hey, Saya.
Hey.
Silly boy. Okay, so let's start. This is the spring collection. I was looking at some things in that collection, and I should have got it even Saturday. And I hope they restock, but I don't know, guys. I don't know if they are with that stuff. But it says God is good all the time, and it's 40% off. This was $7.99. I don't think I'm going to put this on my collage wall. I wanted to put it like on an entryway table, but it does have the little hanging brackets to hang it up. So I thought that was really cute. It was a couple of other ones that I think I'm going to think about going back getting, but I don't want to get too many. I don't know. I have lots of places to put signs, but anyway, in this one it says pantry. I saw this one the other day and I said I'll come back. And this one was $7.99 too, and it was 40% off. So I was like, I didn't know where I would put it, because if I had a pantry sign, I would want a big one. But this is where I would put it at. So this is my pantry door, and I would get some kind of sticky, I don't know, tape or something, and put it up there on the pantry door. And I thought about putting a pantry sign up there, but I think that'll be cute just on the door like that. Yeah. And then I don't still know what I'll put up here, and then I still don't know what I put up here, and then yeah. Okay guys, so if you're following me on Instagram, I know a lot of you are not, and I have to remember that when I'm filming, that a lot of you are not on Instagram, so I'm sorry. I need to I don't want to say what I want to do, because yeah, I don't want to say, but I need to remember that when I'm doing stuff. So I am working on my planner, my planner corner right now. So I want to make it function. I want it to work for me. I want to have like little stations throughout my mom cave craft room. So I have been wanting this forever. I can't remember whose video I saw this in, and every time I went to the Raleigh or the Cary store, they never had it. And so this has been sitting there, $34.99. It was 50% off. I said I was going to wait till the organization stuff was marked down. She rung it at a regular price, but I see she had her little guide to the left of right of her while she was checking me out, and she said, your total is $50-some. And I was like, I just politely said, was everything on sale? Everything was on sale, right? You know, because if it wasn't, I was going to use my 40% off coupon, which I knew everything was. So it was like $17. So I think what I'm going to use this for are my alpha stickers, because I am busting at the seams with that in my organization. I was going to use it for stamps, and I still may, but I don't have that many stamps, because you get like 7 of these little hanging things. Let's see, it's half open. And I'll show, once I get that little area together, yes, 75 of these. Once I get that together, then I'll show you guys. Okay, then I'll show you the 3 stamps I got. I did go back and get this. All of the other things were gone, the little mason jars. But I was originally just going to pick up one little of these baskets. And I think on the picture, it shows like some scissors or a hot glue gun or something hanging out of that. So that was right on time. That was the only thing that I really was going to get, other than the long basket. And I didn't want 3 long baskets, I don't think. Okay, so I did pick up this stamp, and it was $1. And I believe this is the one that Kendra had. And I grabbed this one up real quick because it was a lady right behind me wanting to see what I was looking. You know how people want to look to see what you're looking at. And so this one says ask and it will be given to you. Seek, and I don't know what it says. It's probably seeking you shall find. And the door, knock and the door will be open to you. I have to take that off. Yeah, it says seeking you shall find. And then this one that says miracles happen to those who believe, and it was $1. So I thought that was a great price for these good quality stamps for $1. And that's all. Excuse you. Excuse you. Him and his goldfish. So that's all I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Again, I will insert this with another video. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Oh, and so I guess I'll add this in. So right now, this is on my bar. And I don't know, I may put like a little candle right there. And that's my little home thing I got from Kirkland's. I moved it different places. And I like that where it says, if you feed them, they'll come. And it's nighttime, guys. So, it's a little dark in the hallway. So that's the W. And this is the gallery wall so far. I need to put more pictures. Saya. And then right here it says, it's good to be home. I really like that one. So I'll probably put a picture here. I don't know how low I go with the pictures. I probably will find that picture. I put it somewhere of all my grandparents, and it's a long picture, and a picture here. Somewhere up in here. So, and maybe a picture over here. So I guess as I do things, I'll show it this way because it'll be quicker than doing like a tour.